Everybody says learning a new language is easier with AI. Now, and honestly, tools like Talkpal AI make that feel true at first. You open the app, start talking to AI, practice conversations, get corrections instantly. It feels modern and impressive. But after testing Talkpal AI properly, I noticed one big problem. Most users make the exact same costly mistake. They think using the app alone will magically make them fluent. And that's not how this works. So before you spend money on Talkpal AI, here's the honest review nobody's giving you. First, what Talkpal AI actually does well. The biggest strength is conversation practice. Instead of memorizing boring vocabulary lists, you're speaking naturally with AI in real time. That's huge because most language learners never practice speaking consistently. Talkpal makes that part way less intimidating. You can practice daily conversations, business communication, travel situations, pronunciation, listening skills, and honestly, the instant feedback feels surprisingly useful. Another thing I liked is flexibility. You can practice anytime without needing a real tutor online. For busy people, freelancers, startup founders, or professionals learning a second language for work, that convenience matters a lot. Now let's talk about the mistake people make. They use Talkpal passively. 5 minutes here, random chats there. Then they wonder why they're not improving. AI language apps only work if you actively push yourself. Longer conversations, daily repetition, speaking out loud consistently. Without that, you're basically just playing with AI. And here's another thing nobody mentions enough. Talkpal AI is great for practice, but not perfect for deep grammar learning. If you're a complete beginner, you may still need structured lessons somewhere else. That's why a lot of advanced learners combine Talkpal with YouTube, grammar resources, or real-world practice. Now let's be real about pricing. The free version is decent for testing, but heavy users will probably hit limits fast. And if you don't actually use the app consistently, the subscription becomes wasted money. That's the costly part, not the app itself. Paying for tools you barely use. Quick pros: great speaking practice, instant AI feedback, flexible daily learning, feels less awkward than real tutors. Cons: needs consistency to work, not enough for deep grammar alone. Easy to use casually without progress. So is Talkpal AI worth it? Honestly, yes, if your goal is speaking confidence and daily conversation practice. But if you think the AI will teach you automatically while you barely use it, you'll probably waste money. Because the real secret isn't the AI, it's whether you actually practice consistently. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.